Yeah, the recording is started now.
Okay, sir.
Now see, now out of which only one book is sufficient for you.
Okay.
So if you have, notebook and pen, you can write it down.
1 minute.
Yeah, the name of the book is
Yes, sir.
yeah, it is Control Systems
Control systems.
by Goel Bakshi.
Okay.
And if you want to have reference books, then you have Control System by Ogata.
By Ogata.
Yeah, Ogata. O
Okay.
G A T A. And another book we have Engineering Systems and Automation Control by Peter Dronsfield. See, it's written on the top Engineering Systems and Automation Control by Peter Dronsfield.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All these books are available in our library.
Okay, sir.
Goel Bakshi, you can get it in any shop.
Okay.
Now, I think syllabus you have, isn't it? Syllabus.
Yeah, I got the syllabus in the
You
PDF.
got a syllabus, huh? And
Yeah.
you know the scheme also, examination
Yeah.
scheme. So if it is offline, then the scheme will be university semester question paper will be of 3 hours,
Okay.
and total will be 80 marks for the
Okay.
semester paper, and 20
Okay.
marks for the internal assessment, that is UT1 and UT2, two unit tests will be conducted, and the
Okay.
average of unit test will be taken. So 80 plus 20, that is 120.
Okay.
Now there is no term work for this subject,
Okay.
and there is no practical or oral for this subject. Usually we have term work 25
Huh.
marks and practical oral exam 25 marks. So that comes to be 150. But here for control engineering, it's
Yeah.
only 100 marks only. So there is no term work and there is no
Okay.
practical or oral exam.
Okay.
So it is 100 marks.
Okay.
You can
This
go
is for
to the
offline if it
scheme.
is if it happens offline.
This is offline. If it is offline,
Okay.
and if it is online, then don't know what will be the paper pattern. But so far it has been for online also. It has been 80 plus 20, 40 marks
Okay.
MCQ and 40 marks descriptive questions.
Okay.
And it's going to be 2 hours if it is online.
Okay.
If it is online, then it will be MCQ 40 marks
Okay.
and descriptive will be 40 marks. So MCQ will be like a Google form, that is you have to just select the correct option, and
Yeah.
descriptive may you have to write the answer, then you have to scan it and you have to upload it. Like that it
Acha.
is.
Okay.
Earlier, it was in online. That is when the lockdown started. So in the
Huh.
month of October and November, some exams happened. So it was
Ah,
all MCQ, but
okay.
then it was changed to 40. It was all MCQ means all 80 marks was MCQ,
Ah,
but then it was changed to 40 plus 40. That is MCQ, and because almost 100% students got 10 pointers.
yeah.
So it was changed to 40 plus 40. It's
Okay.
MCQ plus subjective or descriptive questions. So in descriptive question, 20 marks ka two questions with options. And if it is 80 marks, then it will be 20 marks ka four questions, 20, 20, 20, 20.
Okay.
And four questions you have to solve out of six questions. So altogether it will be 120 marks with option. So out of 120
Okay.
marks, you have to solve 80 marks if it is offline.
Okay.
If it is online, it will be 40 MCQ and plus 40 subjective or descriptive. In
Ha.
descriptive, you will have 20 marks for two questions and you will have option
Okay.
also.
Okay.
So like that paper pattern will be. So when we study,
Okay.
control systems, let us have first basics. What are the basics of the control system? We will have class. Now today only I called you earlier just to know each other.
Okay.
Otherwise, we can have the class on Wednesday and Friday morning. That is at 9 o'clock, 9 to 10, 1 hour. And you
Yeah,
can
it's
use the same link. Yes,
no, no, it's fine.
that's fine.
Yeah.
And so this I will share with you.
Okay.
Now, what is system? System is a combination or an arrangement of different physical components. Those act together as an entire unit to achieve certain objective. That means what you have some objective,
Okay.
and to achieve that objective, we are assembling different components.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
For example, now how to change the speed of a car? So speed of the car is changed by accelerator pedal with the help of the carburetor. Right.
Okay.
So that fuel injection is a system. In case of human body, we have
Ha.
different systems. Like we have nervous system. So it is combination of different components like brains. Then you have nervous spinal cord. You have nervous cord. And your spine. In case of
Yeah.
digestive system, you have mouth, esophagus, and intestine, big intestine, small intestine. Uh,
Yeah. Yeah.
you have a respiratory
Okay.
system. So every system has some functions, and every system is made up of some components. Like suppose in
Okay.
case of transmission system in automobile, no
Ha.
transmission system in
Yeah,
automobile.
I know.
Like
Yeah.
what are the different components in transmission system? You have engine, then clutch,
Engine. Yeah. The.
gearbox,
Yeah.
gearbox followed by propeller shaft. Then propeller shaft is connected to the rear axle
Drive.
through differential gearbox, isn't it? And then
Yeah.
on the rear
Yeah.
axle, two wheels are mounted, isn't it? This is what is your transmission
Yeah.
system in automobile, correct? Like you have
Yes.
engine, then you have clutch, then you have
Yeah.
gearbox, then
Ha.
you have propeller shaft, then you have
Ha.
differential gearbox, then you have rear axle. If it is a rear wheel drive, if it is a front wheel drive, then the front wheel is connected to the gearbox through the differential. And if it is
Okay.
all four wheel drive, then front axle as well as rear axles they are connected.
Yeah.
But in India, it is uh, generally it is rear axle drive only.
Ha.
In case if you don't understand, you please stop and ask. Like that
Yeah.
transmission system, you have fuel injection system. So fuel injection system comprises your foot pedal, then you have accelerator cable, then you have fuel injection pumps, then you have carburetor, like that it is. Okay.
Okay.
So how the control system is nothing but how to control, to all these systems. Like I talked about fuel injection system, talked about transmission
Okay.
systems, talked about nervous system. So how to improve this? Hmm? entire
Okay.
system and how to control this system. Like
Mm.
suppose our sensory organs, like suppose skin or finger, if it is touch to some hot object, we
Yeah.
retract it. So that is called as a controlling. Or suppose an aeroplane navigation system, aeroplane is moving,
y-
how to turn, uh, to what degree to turn. So then how to improve the performance, how to control the system. This is study of all this is nothing but the control engineering. Hmm.
Okay.
And we should control this in very fast. That is, our response time should be as short as possible. Like suppose if you touch hot object, your finger, then immediately your finger should be retracted back. There should not be any delay. Uh, there should not be
Yeah.
any delay of 1 seconds or 2 seconds. Otherwise, your finger will burn. So
Yes.
your response system has to be very fast. Like suppose if you are driving a car and if you see some object and you apply the brake, so immediately it should stop and without toppling the car, immediately. It should not take, like suppose you apply the brake. It should not happen that your car stops in 100 meters. It should stop in 50
Ah.
meters or it stops in a distance of say 25 meter or 10 meter without toppling. So the response has to be very fast. Response has to be. So this
Okay.
is what is we study in control engineering. As a control engineer, you have to again study the each and every components of the entire system. Like for example, transmission system, you have to study the engine, clutch, gearbox, gear axle, differential. Every component you have to study, and you have to see that every component perform well. The response of the every component is good, and thereby the response of the entire system is what
Good.
good. Hmm? Right.
Yeah.
So this is what is your system. Even a shop, supermarket is also we can call the system. It's a combination of different arrangement. Supermarket, that is people go come inside, they buy something, they go to the counter, then it is scanned, barcode is scanned. Your banking
Yeah.
is a system. Even a pawn shop, he also has a system. So without system, it is difficult to work, and that system has to be proper and system has to be efficient. System should not be inefficient.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. And then you have to control that system in order to improve the performance. So what do you mean by controlling? Controlling means to regulate, to direct, or to
Okay.
command itself or some other system. huh, right? And this control can be manual control or it can be automatic control. Like manual control means, like suppose if I am teaching in a classroom, right, no?
Okay.
A
Yeah.
professor teaching in a classroom, so it's a manual control. If somebody is making noise, then the professor has to control. Either he has to
Ah.
shout, or he has to make him stand, or he has to throw the child out of the class. So like
Okay.
that,
Okay.
that is a manual control. Or suppose this is you have a lamp here, all right, and this lamp is connected through a switch to the
Ah.
supply. So this is a supply. So this becomes a small system, isn't it? So
Okay.
you can switch on and switch off this lamp with the help of this switch. Hmm. So here
Okay.
controlling system this is switch is a component and
Okay.
this lamp is a component. And so this is your manual control. You can make it automatic also, this lighting system. You can have some sensors. Like suppose if there is a dark, then the switch will be on, or if there is a light,
Okay.
then lamp will be off. So like that you can control automatically also. Or your flush tank, moment the tank is filled, then what
Yeah.
happens? Then it is cut off. So the inlet wall is closed. The moment it is down, first
Ah.
time, then inlet wall is open, so that the water or liquid comes inside. So this is what
Okay.
is your automatic control is. So
Okay.
always you will have in any control system you will have some input and you will have output. So input is nothing but the applied signal or an excitation signal input, that is what signal is applied,
Hmm.
and how the signal is excited. So in control engineering, it is also called as the forcing function or driving function. So there are four names to the input. Input is have some other names like applied signal or excitation signal or forcing function or driving function. Right? Like
Okay.
suppose if it is speed controlling system, then what is your applied signal? That you are pressing the accelerator pedal. Hmm. You are
Okay.
pressing the accelerator pedal. That is, you are controlling the fuel supply. You are throttling the fuel supply. Fuel supply,
Yes.
you are making it less to maximum. If the speed is less, then you allow more fuel. If the speed is more, then you cut off the fuel, or you reduce the supply of the fuel. Hmm.
Okay.
So this is what is called as the applied signal, and then output is nothing but the response which is obtained from a control system. Like suppose if our speed controlling system, what is the input? Input is you are throttling the fuel supply.
Trot.
You are making it,
Yeah.
you are reducing or you are increasing, and output may you are controlling the speed. Like suppose if the engine RPM is,
Yeah.
I want output RPM as 3000 revolutions per minute. Engine output, I want 3000 rpm. So if it is running at 2500, that means what, you have to supply the more fuel. So that is what my applied signal is. Or if it is running at 3500, then you have to
Yeah.
reduce the supply of the fuel. Hmm, fine. So this is what
Yeah.
is your
Yes.
input and output is. Output is nothing but the response which is obtained from the control system. All right. If you don't understand,
Yeah.
please ask.
No, I got it.
Then there are some terms, no, you should be familiar. Like now, transient.
Okay.
Transient. So transient means occurring only for a short period.
Okay.
Occurring only for a short period. Like you may be familiar with the transient camp. Transient camp means it is a temporary, dwelling place. Temporary dwelling
Okay.
place means, like suppose you may be aware of many slum rehabilitation schemes,
Yes.
redevelopment schemes. Like suppose you are a builder and you want to uh, build a new building. So those who are staying in the present building, they have to be moved to somewhere else, isn't it, for 2 years.
Yes.
Assuming that the building construction will be finished in 2 years or maybe 1 year, so you have to first make the arrangement that all the people who are staying there, it has to be moved temporarily out. So
Yeah.
that is, so normally what we do, first we make arrangement for those people. So that is what is called the transient camp. Now in this pandemic also, the government has made arrangements for whenever they used to quarantine the entire building. uh, that time they had made arrangement to move or to rehabilitate the peoples at some um, schools, or some hospitals for a certain number of days. So that is what is
Yeah.
called the transient camp. So in control engineering, transient means for a short period, occurring only for a short period, transient period. Hmm. Because whatever signal you apply, it will take some time, some little time. That time, ideally it should be, ideally response time should be zero, isn't it? Like suppose if I ask you a question, isn't it, then
Yeah.
you should not you should not take say 5 seconds or
Ah.
10 seconds. That is what my
Okay.
expectation is, isn't it? No
Yes.
doubt student will take some time, but my expectation is that मैं पूछा तो student should reply immediately. Means the response time of the student should be, ideally should be zero. Hmm?
Zero.
But then that doesn't happen. uh, then student will take some time. So that is what is called as the transient period. Okay, occurring
Okay.
for some short period. Then how the control systems are classified? Like you have natural control system. So this, the weightage of this is around 4 to 6 marks for a short note. Explain different type of control systems. Explain the
Okay.
terms used in control system, like that. See, you are aware of, since you studied under Mumbai University, you are aware of the question pattern. If it is offline,
Yeah.
there are 6 questions, isn't it? And question number one is
Yeah.
compulsory, right?
Yeah.
And it is usually usually they are short note kind of question, isn't it? And there are five questions or four questions of 5 marks each, and out of six in question number one, sub questions
Yeah.
six you have to solve four. And similarly,
Yeah.
usually question number six is also short note in 5 marks.
Yeah.
And in between you have some long questions, 8 marks, 10 marks.
Yes.
So, like this, this will be this chapter. What we're studying is module one, Introduction to Control Engineering. So there you have the questions which will be asked, like what are the different control systems, or explain time varying and time invariant, or what is closed loop and open loop, that kind of
Oh.
questions for a short
Okay.
note.
Okay.
Two questions, question number one and
Okay.
question number six.
Okay.
Like now, classification of control system is natural control system. Natural control system, for example, now perspiration system. So, what is the use of perspiration? Perspiration system? It regulates the temperature of the body, isn't it? Like
Yeah.
suppose we
Yes.
have fever, suppose fever. So, अपना पुराना our grandfather, grandmother, if we have fever, then what we used to do?
They
We
put
we will take,
cold cloth on the head.
yeah, exactly. And
Yeah.
if our body is body sweats, isn't it? So
Yeah.
what in that sweats, all that
Heat is
bacteria
lost.
goes away, yeah, leaves,
Yeah.
and then your temperature can be regulated.
Reduced.
So that is what is your perspiration system. So, but this is
Okay.
natural, isn't it? In our human
Yeah.
body, this is what is natural. So that is what is called the natural control system. Fine. Then you have man-made control systems. Man-made. So
Okay.
man-made control systems like for vehicles. Hmm. So in man-made control systems, again you have two systems. Like one is your continuous, and another is your
Okay.
discrete. Continuous or discrete. Discrete is also called the discontinuous. Fine. I hope you
Yeah. Fine.
understand. Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so in man-made control system, you have continuous control system and you have discrete. So continuous automatic system and discontinuous automatic system. Continuous means like suppose it is working continuously. Like suppose you have air conditioning system, or
Okay.
humidification systems. Like you have refrigeration system. So in continuous system, matlab the control is automatically active for continuous over a continuous
Ha.
time. So like means the moment the temperature goes down, uh, in case of air conditioning system, then it is started, the compressor is started, right?
Yes. Yeah.
And if the temperature moment the if the temperature is more, the AC system is compressor is started. If the temperature is desired, then it is fish top. Correct, no? So this is what is your
Yes.
continuous system. In the refrigerator also same thing, isn't it? Moment you keep some hot food inside, so that means what the temperature inside the refrigerator increases. So the compressor is started and the cooling is activated and the cooling is activated. Right?
Yes.
So this is continuous and discrete mean at some given time. Discrete का मतलब at so it is discrete mean it is not continuous. It is activated say maybe every 5 minutes or maybe every 10 minutes. That is what is called the discrete. Like say
Yeah.
discrete. If I ask you, what are the members in a family? So the answer is discrete. What are the members in a family? So members in the
Yeah.
family can be one, can be two, can be three, can be four, isn't it? But cannot be 2.1 or cannot be 2.2 or cannot be
Okay. Okay.
2.356, isn't it? So it's a
Yeah.
discrete number. And continuous means suppose if I ask the weight of the body, weight of a person, what is your weight or what is the height of the person. So it is continuous. Like weight can be 60 kg, 60.5, 60.762. So that is what is your weight is continuous. So
No, but
continuous.
so like
So
the weight also.
sorry.
Yeah. The weight
So
will
in
also be like a fixed value, Nina. But
no, but it can take any value. No, it can weight can take any value. Like suppose if I have 10 students and if I take a weight, so one student can weigh
okay.
60 kg, another can weight 60.5, then third can weight say 60.78. So
Okay.
that's a it will take any value between say 60 or 70, I said.
Okay. Okay.
Whereas discrete का मतलब क्या? It will have a discrete number. Like suppose CNC machines, you know, CNC lathe or CNC milling.
Yeah,
So
CNC.
there you have some lubrication system. CNC lathe में
Okay.
you have lubrication system. So in
Yes.
lubrication system में what happens? There are some, you know, parameters.
Okay.
So my lubrication motor or lubrication pump, I can set it in such a way that every 10 minutes it will get started, it will get activated. So every 10 minutes it will give a dose of lubricant, and that lubricant will go at all the greasing points. I hope is it clear? See,
Yes, I got.
you know the lubrication system in
Ah.
CNC machines. In machines, there is a lubrication system. Lubrication
Ah.
system में what you have a pump and motor, okay, and you have
Okay.
a lubrication tank. In lubrication tank, it's a oil tank in which in lubrication tank you have lubricating oil. On that tank, the motor and pump is fitted. Okay. Uh, so what happens depending upon the use of the machine, you know, we
Ah.
switch on and switch off the lubrication pump and motor.
Yeah.
So if the machine is in use continuously, so what we do, we switch on the lubrication pump or motor every 10 minutes or every 20 minutes, and then a shot like say 10 ml or 5 ml of lubricant is fed to all the greasing points. Okay,
Okay.
it is not necessary that lubrication you have to keep on supplying the lubrication, you know, continuously. It is not required.
Okay.
Hmm? So this is
Okay.
for the discrete control system. It's called discrete control. So it gets activated at some discrete minutes,
Certain
maybe
point.
15 minutes, like that it is. Like suppose
Okay.
like you have gone out of your house, okay, and you have to go to say maybe you have to go to Delhi or Mumbai, okay, then your mummy will ask you maybe after half an hour or after 1 hour, isn't it? Where are you? Uh,
Yeah.
have you reached the airport? Okay. So after 1 hour, she will ask whether you are in check-in points. Maybe after 1 hour, yes. Did you got a boarding pass? etc. Like that. She is not going to ask continuously every
Okay.
1 minute. किधर है किधर है it's not like that. So that is what is your continuous control system. And if she is asking you every 1 hour, hmm, खाना खाया क्या, गोली लिया क्या? So that is your discrete control system.
Okay.
Then you have combinational control system. So combination control system is made up of natural plus man-made. Natural plus man-made. That is what is your combinational control system. So like suppose if we have a driver and a vehicle. So driver his sense his
Yeah.
sensations, isn't it? So that is natural, isn't it? And vehicle is
Yeah.
man-made. That's a combination
Okay.
control system. But nowadays, suppose if the vehicles, these are all programmed vehicles, it is
Ah.
driverless, isn't it? So
Yes.
that's a completely automatic control system,
Okay.
man-made control system, right?
Okay.
Then I'll give some example of this continuous automatic control system. Like I said, heating and cooling. Then your
Yeah.
engine control system, your turbine ka speed control system. So that regulating system is continuous. Right? And then discrete automatic control system, I give you example of, you know, lubricator, lubrications. Sometimes every refrigerator system can be continuous or it can be discontinuous also. Refrigerator can be discrete also, but majority of the refrigerators comes under continuous automatic control. But
Okay.
if you talk about window air conditioning or split air conditioning, so that is your continuous. The temperature is monitored and controlled continuously. Hmm.
Yes.
Then another system is this your time varying and time invariant system. Time
Okay.
varying and time invariant. So time varying and time invariant means time dependent and time invariant. Like here in time invariant is what parameters of the system does not vary with the time, and here in time varying the parameters of the systems they vary with the time.
Okay. Yeah.
So for example now say traffic signal. हाँ, जो है टॉर्च स्टेप्स
Yeah.
कैसा रहता है, फर्स्ट यू हैव ऑरेंज लाइट, बराबर ना?
Yeah. Yeah.
Orange or and then you
Red.
get amber, isn't it, or red?
Yeah.
I-
Then green.
isn't it? And then after
Yeah.
that you have green, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that orange or that yellow will be active for few seconds, isn't it? 10 seconds.
Yes.
Moment you will
Yeah.
see that orange, then it is an indication that you have to reduce your speed because afterwards you have to stop, isn't it?
Yeah.
You cannot have
Yeah.
only red and green because red means stop. You cannot stop your vehicle instantly. Is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's why you have that orange light, so that now you have to reduce and you'll have to stop. Then
Yeah.
that remains active for say 10 seconds. Okay. Then red signal. So red signal it may remain active depending upon the junction, crowd, traffic. Usually it ranges from 30 seconds, say, be 20 seconds to 2 minutes. Hmm.
Yeah.
And then you have green. So that again from 20, 30 seconds to 1 minute, isn't it? So it goes on changing, isn't it? So that is nobody is going to control it manually, isn't it? So that is time
Yeah.
dependent. So that is time varying. And time invariant
Okay.
matlab it doesn't vary with the time. It is independent of the time. I say.
Okay.
Then you have linear and non-linear system. huh? Linear and non-linear
Non-linear.
system. Uh, So linear means if superposition principle is applied to it, hmm, it doesn't exist. So basically, in a simple word, linear means what? Like say y is equal to mx plus c. Any system, see, whatever system we discussed, your human का system बोलो या refrigerator, heating, या
हाँ.
cooling, or automobile का, all those systems can be mathematically modeled. All
Okay.
these systems can be mathematically modeled. Except
Okay.
except there are few systems who cannot be modeled mathematically. Mathematically modeled means what? जो भी systems है, whatever example I gave you, can be defined by equations. Like suppose
Okay.
engine का speed controlling. So the speed is a function of fuel supply. Can be mathematically defined. And then there is you once you have the relation between output and input, you
Yeah.
control the input parameters and you get the output, isn't
Okay.
it?
Yeah.
Like say y is equal to this thing, y is equal to 3x. So if
Okay.
you change x, then your y is changed. So y is a function of x. Or say y is
Okay.
equal to 2 by 3x. So y is a function of x. Model means
Yeah.
mathematical model, mathematical
Okay.
relation. So any system can be mathematical model except few systems like emotions. Emotions, like suppose if I scold you, or if I scold some child, a small child, then the child, start crying. So
Yeah.
you cannot define that mathematically. There are no models for that. Hmm. So some
Yeah.
systems cannot be mathematically modeled, but most of the systems can be modeled mathematically. And some systems are simple, some systems are complicated, like suspension systems. Some systems are very simple, like circle का algorithm or a simple line. So y is equal to mx plus c.
Yeah.
It's a simple
Equation line.
system. It's a linear. If I say y is equal to x square plus 3x, it is little complicated, isn't it? It's a quadratic or it's a second degree system.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Second degree you understand, no?
Yeah.
First
I
y
know.
is equal to mx plus c, that was first degree. Y is
Yeah.
equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 4, that is your second degree system. Then you have third
Yeah.
degree system, right?
Yes.
So linear y is equal to ms plus c is a linear. Hmm? Y is equal to x square is non-linear. So same in control engineering, there is something called as the superposition principle. Superposition principle, that is SP. It states that response produced by simultaneous application of two different forcing function is the sum of the two individual responses. This you will understand later when you do some numericals. Response
Okay.
produced by simultaneous application of two different forcing functions means input function is the sum
Okay.
of two individual responses. So Linear means if superposition principle applies to it, it doesn't exist since non-linearity present, that is saturation, frictions वगैरह. So what I'm telling कि linear में कैसा रहता है, it is very simple. You just remember at this point there are no frictions, uh, there are no
Okay.
resistive forces in uh, in consideration
Okay.
in linear system. Non-linear system means we are considering the frictions, we are considering various resistance in the non-linear system. Linear में we don't consider that. It is very straightforward. Like y is proportional to x, so that is a linear system. Y is proportional to x square plus 3x, that is a non-linear system.
Okay.
Y is equal to sine of theta. So that's again a linear system, straightforward. Y is equal to cos theta. It's again a linear system. Y is a function of angle. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Then, as I told, this is continuous time and discrete time control system. So continuous is like this. Aisa. Okay, so it is changing, continuously. So
Oh, yeah.
you have this is your time on the x-axis, so that is your input, and output may your y. So this can be your simple, that is SHM ka equation, or AC sine wave. Y is equal to a into sine of omega t. This is a sine graph,
Yeah.
isn't it? Or cos graph.
Yeah.
This is a cos graph. It is starting from here, and in
Yeah.
case of sine graph, it will start from the origin. In y is equal to sine theta, it will start from the origin, and y is equal to cos theta. It is you have a 90-degree phase difference. So this
Yeah.
is y is equal to sine theta, or y is equal to, in this case I will say y is equal to sine of t, where t is
Okay.
nothing but the time. Okay,
Okay.
and y is nothing but time. Fine. So that's your continuous time. Discrete may it is like this. At some time, so maybe this is 10
Yeah.
seconds, then 20 seconds, then 30 seconds, 50 seconds. You are getting the output here. So that is your discrete, right?
Okay.
And then you have another system, like here system variables are known only at certain discrete intervals. Means output is known at some discrete intervals of time. It is not continuously depending on the time, as like this. Here it is, all system variables are functions of a continuous variable t. As the t changes, your output will change. For example, speed control of DC motor using tacho generator. Means if you want to control the motor ka speed control, it comes under continuous. Then you have deterministic and automatic. Deterministic मतलब क्या? Where when the response to the input as well as behavior to external disturbance is known, then it is called the deterministic. And stochastic means we don't know the response, Hmm? We
Okay.
don't know, then it is called the stochastic. Hmm? We cannot predict. We cannot
Yeah.
predict the response. Then it is stochastic. So stochastic control systems are very difficult to handle. Hmm? Deterministic, like your micro bolo, yeah, your toaster bolo, or your vending
Yeah.
machine bolo, coffee vending machine. These are all deterministic. You know the recipe. इतना time रखो, ये डालो, वो डालो. You know what you are going to get, right? So that
Yes, sir.
comes under deterministic. And then you have another system, that is lumped parameter and distributed parameter control system. So lumped parameter में you have control system which can be described by ordinary differential equation. These are again complex system. For example, electrical network, with different parameters as resistance and inductors. R is for the resistance and L is for the inductance, which is measured in
Yes, sir.
Henry. And distributed may you have control system which is described by partial differential equation. See, this is ODE. Ordinary differential equation means ODE, and PD is nothing
Okay.
but the partial differential equation. For example, transmission lines, then resistance, inductances, these are all distributed along. Hmm? Okay, so
Yes, sir.
we'll stop here. Thank you for joining. I'll upload this. I'll mail this because we are not
Okay, sir.
There's no classroom, no, for this. So we'll
Okay.
interact only on the mails only, isn't it? That is better, correct?
Yes, sir. That's better.
Or other faculty, have they created any classroom for the notes
No,
or for
not
the
yet.
not yet,
This is the
huh?
first lecture.
Okay, huh? So
Okay.
then tomorrow we will have class at 9, huh? From 9 to 10. All
Okay.
right,
90. Okay, sir.
fine.
Yes.
Thank you.
You will
Any doubts
be
if you have, you
sending.
please ask. Huh?
You
Sorry,
will be sending this recording of the lecture.
I will send this link on
Okay.
mail,
Okay,
and
sir.
I will send this notes on
Okay,
mail.
sir. Okay, sir.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Uh, in case if there are more students, then we will have classroom. Fine, but
Okay, sir.
right now it will be easy to communicate on the mail itself.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, most welcome.
हे तुम्ही अंड खाणार आहात आता की घेऊन जाऊ?
आता नाही.
घेऊन जाऊ
चालेल.
कारण एक